In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your Shopify store theme. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin so you are on your store dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then select Themes. This is the main area where Shopify manages the theme that is currently live on your store, along with any other themes you have added for testing or future use. On the Themes page, look for the Add Theme option. Selecting Add Theme is how you begin bringing in a new design. From there, choose to visit the theme store. The Shopify theme store is the safest place to browse because the themes are built to work well with Shopify features and are updated to stay compatible over time. As you browse, focus on selecting a high-resolution theme. A high-resolution theme helps your storefront look sharp and professional on modern screens, including mobile devices. You might choose a theme like Dawn if you want a clean, minimalist layout. If your brand needs a more premium luxury feel, a custom version in that style can be a better fit. Or if you want a softer and warmer look, a theme like Scents may suit your store. While you are choosing, pay attention to the overall layout, how product pages are presented, and whether the theme style matches the kind of products you sell. Once you have selected a theme and added it to your store, open it and go into Customize. This takes you into the theme editor where you can adjust design settings without touching code. Inside the editor, open Theme Settings, then go to Typography. Here you will set the fonts used across your store. For a more elegant and classic look, select a serif font for your headings. Serif fonts often feel refined and can make headings stand out clearly, especially on product pages and collection pages. As you choose your font, keep readability in mind. Aim for a style that looks good on both desktop and mobile. After you have made your typography choice, remember to save your changes so they apply properly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.